Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is Energy Transition Index 2024. Recently, the Energy Transition Index 2024 has been released by the World Economic Forum. India has been ranked 63rd globally out of 120 countries. European nations dominate the top ranks with Sweden at the top, followed by Denmark, Finland, Switzerland, and France in the top 5. The World Economic Forum praised India for its initiatives and progress in energy equity, security, and sustainability, noting the country's exemplary outcomes that can be replicated globally. Key highlights of Energy Transition Index 2024 are: Global Average Energy Transition Index scores reached their highest levels with 107 out of 120 countries, making progress over the past decade. 6 G20 countries, that is France, Germany, Brazil, China, the United Kingdom, and the United States of America, feature among the top 20 performers. In 2023, China commissioned as much solar photovoltaic as the entire world in 2022 and ranked 20th in this year's Energy Transition Index. Now let's discuss about the World Economic Forum. It is a Swiss non-profit foundation established in 1971 based in Geneva, Switzerland. It is recognized by the Swiss authorities as the International Institution for Public-Private Cooperation. Major reports published by WEF: Global Competitiveness Report, Global IT Report, Global Gender Gap Report, Global Risk Report, and Global Travel and Tourism Report. Now is the time for practice question. What is the rank of India in the recent Energy Transition Index 2024? 52nd, 53rd, 63rd, or 67th? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।